Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, your word of the day is returning to heart. Return to your home. Return to where you feel comfortable. Your safety place, your place of serenity, the place of creativity. You've been in the world for so long, and been fitting into the puzzle of the world, and you don't feel that way. You're not comfortable in that way because you go with the flow. You're a water sign. You can fit into any puzzle, but that doesn't mean you'll be happy. You can find happiness, but to be your most joyful self, return to your own puzzle. You're one of one. You're original. As you came into this world by yourself, you'll leave by yourself. Leave your mark, your footprint, leave your legacy, and being yourself. It's going to be called weird. They're going to call you different, but everyone is going to benefit from everything that you've been creating, because everything is weird. Everything is different when it is new. So continue. I breathe light and stick to the essentials of my soul. I stay in the present moment. I calm my thoughts and I focus on my heart. And it finds a space to be in your serene place, doing the things you like to do, doing the activities, the hobbies, having the food that you like to have. Just because it's not deemed fun or cool to the outside world, you can go into the world, but come back and really appreciate what your soul really honors as being fun and happiness. You've outgrown so many people, hobbies, financial stabilities, communications. Collaborations. You've outgrown a lot of things, but it's going to be replaced with something even greater that your soul will actually reward you and thank you for later. I focus on my heart and find a space to be where light and greatness are, and I find a peace in inner silence. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.